Hi, I'm Dr. Marta Katalenas, and I am here with my friend Candil.
Hi.
We are going to cook. Today we are actually going to do a recipe for you, for your baby, or toddler, or for the whole family.
For the whole family.
What are we cooking today, Chef?
We are going to make a zucchini puree. Evo zucchini puree. Because I love to cook with Evo always, like extra virgin olive oil.
Yeah, you may have to explain what Evo is.
Yes, Evo is extra virgin olive oil and is also our mascot.
Yes.
So we choose our Evo mascot here. So just try when you're thinking, oh, baby food is very complicated to cook at home, and say, okay, so which step have you reached today? And I say, we say today, we are here, so we can do it. So, and we're gonna show you how easy it is to make it in less than 30 minutes.
In less than 30 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, so if you can explain the ingredients, I'm gonna get ready because I have my apron here.
Oh, perfect. I love it.
You were wondering if I was gonna
so
use it.
Cute, Marta. I like it.
See? All right, now we're ready to go.
We are ready.
You do the cooking, I'll watch.
Yes, no, and you can help
I will help, definitely.
To talk about to the parents about the tips and how healthy are the ingredients. So we have only 3 ingredients. And the fourth is optional, up to you, depends on the age of your kid or your baby. If your baby is actually eating some cheese or lactose, and the Dr. Katalenas can explain us when is the best time to start introducing the lactose to your baby, especially when it's cheese. But our ingredients today are going to be potatoes, just regular potatoes, zucchini, and I keep the skin of the zucchini, Marta, because I think the skin has a lot of fiber.
Right, I agree. I really think also the child, no matter how small, needs to see the food the way the color it is. We cannot mask everything. So let them see the green from the beginning, because I know many adults that if it's green, they won't touch it.
And if you are in a hurry, if you are in a hurry and you don't want to peel the zucchini, just use the whole skin. I just peel it a little, but it's good for the kids, make visual, the color of the green. So we have the zucchini, we're gonna add the potatoes as well, and we have some onions. And the people are very surprised when I say I love to use onion for the baby food. And you told me when we made how important is use onion when you are cooking, and we use a lot in Spain, Marta.
We do. I think what we bring to you also is our Mediterranean style cooking, and every mother in any Mediterranean country will tell you that they introduce onions very early, and it's another one of the flavors that we want to introduce at one time. Later on we may talk about garlic, but onions, yes, this is a perfect combination. Everybody likes the taste of onions, cooked onions. And later on, when they get older, we're hoping that they will like the taste of raw onions as well. But we'll start with this. It really, you can tell when you add onions to any dish that you prepare. And
also, it's helping to make a really good digestion.
Exactly.
So that's what we are looking for with our babies and our toddlers. So it's as simple as put the ingredients, just peel the potatoes, cut in pieces, put here an onion. I use like a half onion, but it's up to you. I think it's just start with a half onion and water just almost to cover, and let's go to the heat.
All right, let's go.
So Marta, I think it's ready. It smells so good.
Yes, it does. How do you know if it's ready? How do you know when
you have to peer a little with a knife or a fork and see how tender is the potato or the zucchini. Yes,
this is perfect. So
you can do it. So you can see
we see the potato is breaking really very easily.
Yeah, and the
onions are falling apart, and the zucchini you can't
even change the color of the zucchini. So if it is a little overcooked, don't worry about it. You are not missing nothing. So it don't have to be exactly. We just use a timer, like a 20-25 minutes, depends of the amount you are cooking. But this amount with 2 zucchinis, 1 potato, and half onion can feed your baby for the whole week, for 5 days. So it depends. If it is the first time you are going to try with your baby and training with the different flavors, I recommend to use these little small boxes. So you can put here a small amount and just try to give them and taste it. And probably the first time the faces will be for a Facebook video, Facebook picture, so much fun, because the baby is like, what is going on here? But if you have 3 or more, just try, and slowly you can see how they really start enjoy.
Oh, the babies I know will eat a few of these at one setting.
Yes.
I can tell you, because this is good.
So,
okay,
let's gonna take the ingredients already cooked here on our blender. If you don't have this kind of blender, you can use a hand blender too. So don't worry, because you don't have to be a chef or has everything at home. So don't feel overwhelmed. Our idea is to help you, and don't feel overwhelmed because you just made a new resolution for this year to cook for your baby. And this is a good one. So we have here, we have the liquid,
water from it.
The water,
okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Have my spoon here ready to try.
Yes. And we have here the cheese. We can start without cheese, and we can add a little cheese. So if you want to cook for your baby and it's the first time, I recommend it just start like this one.
The vegetables.
And
only,
if you have a toddler at home, or how old
well,
the cheese?
8, 9 months. 9 months.
8, 9 months. You can add a couple cheeses.
Or if you want to make these a soup for the family, you can just make it and make it like a dinner.
And
soup.
a little
bit of olive oil.
Yes. So you don't need to add any salt. Remember, we're talking about before.
The cheese actually has salt, but when we are talking about an 8 or 9 month old, very soon they're going to be eating table food that we are going to prepare with salt, because that's what we humans train to ourselves to do. So it's okay. But at the beginning, just the vegetables, when you cook them, no salt.
Okay, so ready?
Go ahead, ready.
So do you want me to make different texture, or let's start with a soft one?
Let's make a soft one. I think it would be easy to understand that it can be made thicker.
Okay, yes. So the idea is just try this one and see how thick it is. So it's very creamy, very tasty.
And you can see the little green specks there, but it's okay.
Do you want to try? It's good. For us, need a little salt.
Right, maybe we'll add a little
Let's be honest, for the adults, because we just start eating with salt. But we are looking to educate the palate. So for the baby who never tried salt before, I think it's perfect.
This is perfect.
And you know, we cook this cream for a wedding in our catering business. Yes.
Oh my goodness. And
3 weeks ago, yes, because the couple on their first date, he cooked this zucchini cream for her fiancé, her wife now, his wife now, and it was really, really good. And everyone at the wedding really loved it. So it's funny how this simple cream can make food for the whole family, the adults.
A family meal.
Yes, a family meal.
Definitely.
So thank you so much for listening us. Please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you soon in our next recipe. Bye-bye.